These are Bob's friends, the Tokyo String Quartet.
Hi, Big Boy. How you doing?
Hello.
Hi, Snuffy.
They're going to help Snuffy practice the minuet.
Yeah, the minuet is a dance. It's for a show we're gonna do in Snuffle Garden. This is my costume.
He's supposed to be a king.
Yeah, King Louis the 15th.
And I'm going to be his partner. Time to practice the minuet, King Louis.
All righty.
Ready when you are.
Your Majesty.
Mr. Bird, Maestro, and...
Okay, Snuff.
So, what do you think of that?
Terrific. What a mover.
You're gonna be a hit, Snuffy.